how to germinate tiny seeds faster soaking method. Hello, welcome to 7 Savings Garden, where we talk about gardening, ways to save money, and other special events. If you're new to the channel, please subscribe and hit the bell icon so that you get notified of all upcoming videos. I'm showing you guys, if you've seen all my seed starting videos, I've been saying that it's difficult to use the soaking method on tiny seeds. So one of my subscribers told me that they have been doing it, usually following my method, but they have been doing tiny seeds. So we're going over there to see how they do it, and hopefully this helps you out and you're able to do the same method and be able to germinate your seeds faster with this method. Okay, let's go. Okay, we're here and this is it. This is the container. So what she did yesterday was get this container, fill it with water, and put all the seeds inside. So, and just add half a teaspoon of hydrogen peroxide. So you want to make sure that you let it sit in the water for 24 hours. You don't want to let it go more than that, because if you let it go more than that, it's going to start germinating. And if it starts germinating and you try to plant it or try to move it, it might break some of the heads and the seeds will not grow again. So you want to make sure that you get it out of the water within 24 hours. And then we can go to the next step of the process. So the next thing we're going to do is we're going to get a sieve. She has a sieve, and she just puts some paper towel on top of it just so that the seeds don't go through the paper towel. Then she's going to pour all the content into that sieve, and it will drain out all the solution that we have in there. And now we can plant. We can take it out and then plant it. So this is it. All the water or the solution has been drained out. So what we're gonna do next is just take the seeds and then put it in our seed starting containers. We're using a seed starting mix that I made myself. There's a video that shows you how to make your own seed starting mix. I'll see if I can put the link in the description below. And I also have other seed starting videos. See if I can also add those in the description below. So this is it. So what she's doing is she's just using aluminum pans, and she's just making some holes at the bottom of the aluminum pans. One of them, and the other one has provides a self-watering system underneath. So she's just making holes on the one on top, and then put it in another one. After doing that, what she does is she puts it in. She puts the seed starting mix into the aluminum trays. So, like I said, all this is to make sure that it continues to provide enough water. If you have 2 trays, I made a video a couple of years ago that uses 2 trays like this, and it continuously provide. You fill the bottom tray with water, and it continuously absorb the soil, continuously absorb the water for the seedlings. So now she's filling the 3 trays that she's gonna do with our seed starting mix. You want to fill it. You want to make sure that it has a little bit of depth for the roots to go in there, so about 4 inch. So after filling all the trays, now she's taking the seeds. That's why she's spreading the seeds on the seed starting mix. That's why you have to get the seeds within 24 hours, because if you're doing this when the seeds already started germinating, you're gonna break some of the heads and it's gonna destroy some of the seeds. So you want to do this when the seeds are not germinating yet. So she's just gonna sprinkle it on top of the seed starting mix and just spread it around, just to make sure that it covers all the areas. So she's gonna do that for the rest of the containers, and that should be it. That should be able to give us those 3 containers are gonna be filled with seedlings, and all we're gonna do next is just gonna water it. Also, if you're new to this channel, please subscribe to this channel so that you can get more information on more gardening tips and other stuff that we do on these videos. And if you like any video, please give it a thumbs up. That's the only way that the system tells us that, hey, we're doing a great job, and it gives the opportunity for other people to see the video. So please make sure you like the video. If you have any comments, questions, please leave them below. We'll try to answer as many as possible. So now she's putting the last one and just mixing it up. You can see the seeds. You can see the tiny seeds spread out all through the seed starting mix. And that is it. She's done with it. So we're just gonna water it. The next step is just making sure that we water everything. You want to make sure that you soak it so that it's has enough water to keep it moist, and you just leave it like that. Another thing you can do, if you just to improve the germination process, if you can cover it with a plastic wrap or any container or anything, but just make sure you put it in a nice warm area and you should get a good result. Okay, this is it after 3 days. As you can see, some of the seeds have germinated, some of them are still germinating. As you can see, tiny green shoots coming out. So they are coming out. As you can see, this is after 4 days. More of them are coming out. They are looking better and better, and all the seeds, it looks like more of the seeds are coming out over here. Special thanks to Prudence for giving us this information and sharing this information with us. Hopefully this gives other people the opportunity to be able to see what she's doing and also learn from her. Anybody else, if you have any other great ideas, please don't forget to share. Thank you. Let me know in the comments below if you've done something like this before, or if you have any other tips or any ideas on ways to improve this method that we're doing. So just let me know in the comments below. I'll try to do this method from now on, improve. Usually this seeds take about 3 weeks, 3 weeks to germinate and get to this point. Right now, within a week, we are already looking much better. So I definitely say try this method, and hopefully it helps you out. Okay, this is it after 5 days. You can see more of the leaves, more green leaf shoots showing right here. A lot of the seeds germinated already. There's still some that are still germinating, but they are doing better. So like I said before, you can use mist method to water the top, or you can lift the tray underneath and then water underneath, and this seed starting mix is gonna absorb the water and bring the water up for the plant. So you can do both method to do that. So this is it after 7 days. After 1 week, you can see the difference. It's getting better, much greener. A lot of them are still germinating, they're still coming out, but definitely it's a success. And the process, I think, is something that you can try. Tiny seeds, you can soak them like this, and you'll be able to get good results. Like I said, this is a good way to speed up your germination process, and you get your seeds and your seedlings in a much shorter time frame, and you're able to start growing and harvesting in no time. Hopefully this video helps you out. If you like it, please give it a thumbs up, and don't forget to share with friends, family, or anybody that's that gardens or that grows or plant stuff. You might be able to help them and be able to help them start growing in a much faster way. So okay, that's it for today. I hope you like the video. If you like the video, please give it a thumbs up. If you haven't subscribed to the channel, please subscribe to the channel, and don't forget to share. Thanks for watching. Happy growing.